all these fun goodies in here. It's got every single brush. They're all mermaids. So adorable. I love big balls dolls. Like, seriously. I always need these because my feet get so beaten up when I wear my heels, or they just get really dry. I am like, ooh, ooh. A good friend had sent me this from Amazon. Doll dolls keep me inspired. What's up, dolls? It's your girl, American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. If you love girly things, aesthetic things, and we do giveaways on this channel, then definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell. Enough about that. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and get started. This is from Draggy Frisher. I know she has such a great style and fashion, and so we definitely do talk and DM each other. And so thank you so much, doll. I absolutely appreciate you. I love you, and I am so grateful for our friendship. This is like a whole truckload of wonderful items. The girl's dream. What? Oh my gosh, I love you so much, Draggy Frisher. Love you so much. So we have this Lumi Radiant Blush. I love baby pinks. I love princess pink and dolly pink shades, dolls. So let's go ahead and swatch. Wow, that's really good makeup. I'm impressed. Miss A, really? Wow, that is some sparkling. This is like the most cutest pink highlighter ever, dolls. Love it. High shine lip gloss, dolls. Can never go wrong with some lip gloss. Super cute. This is good stuff, dolls. I'm actually really impressed with their products. This is a Wonder Matte Lipstick. Oh, I love these shades. It matches my nails exactly. You know me so well. I'm gonna see how many items I can actually like use. Girl, she's got some style. And look at this. Oh, I'm so sad one of them cracked, but still, yes, dolls, I have been dreaming about this red color. I don't own a red eyeshadow, dolls. Does this scream fall or what? Draggy, you really get me out of my comfort zone. You need to do a channel too so we can actually do some fun like videos together. Let's go ahead and just do a swatch really quick of this red color. Oh shoot, it got mixed with a little bit of the brown, but it's still so gorgeous. I have like fairy rings that are red, and I found a picture of this makeup I put up on the screen that I want to try to attempt for like a Halloween costume idea. This is the exact type of eyeshadow colors that I'm going to be needing to create that look. She's got me some cute lashes, dolls. This is like a serious haul. I would say that this is a haul definitely by Draggy Frisher. This is Shimmer Tropical Shine Cocktail. No way, this rocks my world. I swear, it's these little things that are so creative. It's like a gloss, but it's like those old school like lamps. You remember those oil lamps? Does it actually sit? Oh my gosh, it does, dolls. And this is like a lip gloss, so love that. Makeup remover wipes. This is such a great selection of all the types of things that they have. I'm learning, if you dolls have not heard of Miss A, they absolutely have so many cool things. What? Oh my gosh, she just knows how to pick them. Let's go ahead and swatch this beautiful pink. Damn, girl. You can definitely create full looks. It's got the glitter, the pinks, the browns. Beautiful, beautiful palette. Keep it moving. This is like a party in a bag, dolls. These are 3D mink lashes. It's got like extra thickness, more natural, more fluffy, more glamour. Look at this, girl power. This is such a cool size bag too. I love it. Ooh, some more 3D fox mink. So much fun. Oh gosh, I can be hanging out in my closet for, I'll be in my closet for a while, dolls. Sweet honey mask. So this is a Korean mask. Bath bomb, microfiber washcloth. Look at this, another mask. This is Milk Essence Mask Skin Nourishment, dolls. Oh my gosh, they even have a face primer, which I definitely need to try because girls been getting some pores up in here. And so this is the perfect filter. So here we go. Oh, that looks so adorable, so cute. Oh wow, this feels really good. This feels really nice and it just gels. And I even got a really cute bracelet. So they have accessories too. It has like little hearts. I'm gonna wear it right now. Like, what better time than now, right? Like, oh my gosh, dolls, check it out. Brush cleaning egg. It's a latex-free high-grade silicone. It leaves makeup brushes squeaky clean. I think you just like put the brush like this and you just rub the brush. Oh gosh, I'm so embarrassed. My brushes are super dirty. But you just go like that. Thank you so much for exposing me and introducing me to these new products. Absolutely love it. Gosh, there's even Crystal Fashion nails. What? I'm gonna have to definitely check them out now. Miss A for sure. These are so cute. I love the shape too, dolls. Ooh, I can't wait to wear them. This is so much girl fun. I can't believe it. I am just so shocked. So we got really fun gloss. Look at this pretty sparkly pink gloss. Yes. Oh my gosh. Dolls, like seriously. Let's go ahead and swatch. Oh gosh, love it. This is great pigment too. Smells good. It smells really sweet. Excuse me. It smells really sweet. And you know, I blend my lipsticks. Why not? But look at that color. It's so pretty, doll. Oh my gosh, look. I have a cute little bow. I love this. So adorable. I love big balls, dolls. Like, seriously. And there is one more thing. They're so important. Soak off nail clips. Lord knows I need them. Sometimes I really make my life way harder than it needs to be. And I'm so grateful for great friends who can expose me and help me to like learn more about different types of tools. So I always love that and appreciate that in a friend. So thank you so much, Draggy. Again, I really appreciate you. I love you. This package to me was everything and more. So I'm super inspired. I love you all. Just a couple of other things that one of my besties had gotten me from like my birthday, but I never actually got to it because I just been all over the place. Thank you so much, Chrissy, for getting me these really cute makeup brushes. I will definitely be using them at some point. It's got every single brush. They're all mermaids. And look at this. It's like a blusher contour brush. That's so funny. I've never seen that before. It's really cute. Give me coffee to get me started and Jesus to keep me going. Oh my gosh, so cute. So dolls, yes, if you don't know, I am a Christian. Love the colors. It's so much fun. I love it. Thank you so much, Chrissy. And if you dolls like personalized gifts, the holidays are coming around the corner. She can pretty much personalize any item. Face mask, so cool. Super fall, so I love that. Can't get enough of these. Pens, so inspirational. You always get me onto these wonderful inspirational messages. Stay positive, work hard, get things done, follow your dreams, make today amazing, and today is your day. I can't wait to put them on my desk where I edit. And I got a foot mask. I always need these because my feet get so beaten up when I wear my heels, or they just get really dry. Love like Jesus. And I just love sunflowers. An eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, great shot. It looks like it is purple palette. What? Wow, check that out. That's really fall. I've never had a palette that had like these cute little like powder balls for an eyeshadow. Dude, I am so inspired by you dolls. Wow, that's got purple black. Oh, that is so fall Halloween. A good friend had sent me this from Amazon. A friend is a loving companion at all times. Isn't that so sweet? So it's got like a rose. It's even got a little pendant. That's actually really pretty for the fall. All right, I'll go ahead and wear it. Why not? Actually, this is really small. I probably won't be able to even put it on. Shoot. Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait because I'm gonna have someone put this on for me. It's really beautiful. It's really sparkly rose gold. I can get into rose gold. I think rose gold is perfect type of metal for fall. Well, I hope you dolls had lots of fun hanging out with me. Dolls really get me, so I'm just so taken back by that. I'm just so grateful. Like, I'm just so appreciative. It just to see all these cute makeups. It was so thought out and puts a big smile on my face. And so I hope you dolls also are having a wonderful day or night. Thank you so much, dolls, for loving me, and I love you, dolls. If you're new, welcome to the doll family. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe now. Stay wonderful, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay amazing, because that's what you are. Keep shining, and don't let anyone else make you feel otherwise. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, dolls.